I have one quick tip for you for the next time you present in a hotel like this, so you are much more effective when you're presenting. Have you heard of something called the bar test? Use this when you're creating a slide deck the next time. When you create your slides, make sure every single slide can pass the bar test. What do I mean by that? I have 25 years of television experience. That's what I did before I started our company 10 years ago, Janicek Performance Group. And in local TV, what we did is we made sure our full screen graphics on air could be seen across a bar when the local news comes on TV inside of a bar. You can see it, you get it, even without the audio on, you know exactly what the message is. Think about every single one of your slides. Can it pass the bar test? Are you telling a quick story with that one slide and not 4 stories? Are the colors good? Can people see it on the background? Are the fonts big enough? Go through your deck before you present again and make sure that each one of your slides will pass the bar test.